All right, guys, so we have a Frigidaire's top bottom, and the issue with this unit, it's catching or dumping water. So water from the drain is making its way into the fresh food section. So we're gonna remove this. You got a 1/4" screw up top. Make sure you unplug the unit, also turn it off. And then I'm gonna come up top, quarter, and I'm gonna remove this and take a look and see what's back there. No ice in yours. I don't see a clog. All right, so we're gonna defrost this. All right, you guys have a... All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour a little bit of water, and this is your drain area right here. So water should go down. So apparently it's either backing up, and instead of going down the drain, it's overflowing and coming down in this. So I'm gonna leave you guys here, and we're gonna see what's happening here. As you can see, so we have a clog drain. All right, so we're gonna take this piece, 1/4" screw, unplug it, and remove it, and take a look. All right, so to get this 1/4" screw, it does require a tiny tip, so something small, otherwise you're not gonna get it out. So be mindful of that. If it doesn't grab, it's not gonna turn. Full of water. Let's get it out. And then unplug this. Squeeze. And it comes down. Alright, let's see. Okay, I see some junk in there. Okay, so now we have it out, and we're gonna pretend we're dumping water. Water should go through there. Let's see what we get. See that? No water's coming out. So eventually it goes into your fridge. So let's fix that. You can use a steamer or just get something to clear that out. Whatever you can get to get in there. Run hot water through it. like a piece of food, but that's weird that it actually makes it all the way, almost like sabotage. And a big piece of looks like a corn or something. It's weird. All right. So now we should be nice and clean. There's another one here. Look at that. All right, now we're back in again. Let's see what we got. Beautiful. That's what you want to see. Nice and clear. Cloth. All right, guys, so this is done, but now you want to also get some super hot water, and you want to pull your fridge out if you don't have a steamer. So we're going to steam down here all the way, and you will see steam coming out from the bottom. So I'm going to start here, and at the kick plate you'll see steam, if all is well. There it is. All right, so now what I'm going to do is put it back in same order in which you took it out, so pretty straightforward. Insert that piece into that hole. And you do have tabs that will slide over this. Make sure you plug this in first. Pay attention how you took it off. Light's going to come on since you didn't unplug your fridge, which you should have. All right. So you're going to pull back and then push forward to lock those tabs in. You might have to push up where the light is to engage the tabs. And then you have your screw here, and that's it. All right, so we're done in the refrigerator section. Now we're gonna put this thing back together up here. So I'll show you how to do that. And then what you're gonna do, we're gonna level, or I should say raise these legs. See how your door is hanging? It should close on its own, and that will also help your refrigerator to drain better. Okay. And guys, be careful when you're putting anything back. These are copper tubes, so be very gentle. All right, so when you open your door, you want to have it closing on itself. And this will also help the water to drain down the drain tube where it's supposed to go. So we're going to do some adjustment, and we're going to raise the legs. So you got to take this cover off. That's right. Kick panel. Comes right on off. And you do have legs you have to adjust underneath. You do have to raise this up, so you can use either something like this and get your finger, or put a piece of wood or something so you don't crush your fingers. And it's called the Viking arm. That's what I use. And I'm going to raise it up. Let's go in the middle. Now take a look at your door. Still level, so we need to raise it some more. Alright, so we need to level this thing better first. Alright, so let's get it leveled before we finish up. Alright, so under you have little screws or adjustable legs, and what you're going to do, you're going to turn them. Hopefully you can turn it by hand and get it all the way down. Sometimes you got to use an adjustable to get it. Just remember though, if you do have to pull your fridge out, you do have to adjust those. And if you have wooden floor, raise it back up, put those up before you yank it, otherwise you'll scratch your floor. Let's do the other one. Beautiful. You can release your jack. You can check your doors, see how they close. Remember, they didn't close and fall. Now look. Beautiful. That's what you need. Almost too fast, but beautiful. All right, put that back on. Thanks for watching.